Using this home shampoo stops hair loss and promotes rapid growth. When applied correctly, this home shampoo not only stops hair loss, but also promotes rapid growth. Our shampoo, with cinnamon powder as the main ingredient, not only stops hair loss, but also promotes rapid and strong hair growth when used as directed. The second ingredient we use is coffee, along with any shampoo you have available at home, perhaps your favorite. For the preparation, start by adding 3 teaspoons of cinnamon powder. Coffee contains caffeine, which is recognized for thickening hair roots and promoting faster growth. Next, add a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, which is known for its numerous benefits in hair care. Cinnamon is highly recommended for hair loss and promoting healthy growth, especially for those with damaged hair. Once you have mixed the cinnamon powder with the home shampoo in a container, add the third and last ingredient. Remember that any home shampoo will suffice. Together, these ingredients form a potent blend that stops hair loss and promotes rapid growth, addressing any vitamin deficiencies and ensuring hydration and vitality. Coffee, with its caffeine content, is a key ingredient in our home shampoo recipe, promoting hair growth and enhancing shine. Let me know if you are interested in more home remedies for hair, as my goal is to provide information on how to achieve beautiful hair using this shampoo and other methods. This infusion of nutrients results in stronger, more vibrant, and healthier hair. I would like to know from which country you are watching, so I can share more tailored hair care tips and send you a special greeting in a future video. My special greeting today goes to Jennifer from Australia. Thank you for always watching our videos. After mixing it very well until it achieves a paste-like consistency, transfer it to an atomizer bottle for long-term storage. Applying this home shampoo is straightforward. Start with wet hair and gently massage the home shampoo into the scalp, ensuring complete coverage. Massage the scalp for about 5 minutes before completely rinsing the tiproot shampoo with water. Repeat this shampoo application twice a week for optimal results. If you made it this far, leave a hair emoji so that I know you saw the full video. If this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, subscribe to be the first to receive our hair care tips.